Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Manovigyan. I'm your psychologist friend Shreya. So today's video is regarding how screen time impacts the overall development of the child. So as we all know, today's children are so much addicted to cell phones. They spend almost like 7-8 hours of the day on screen. So today's video is very informative. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first effect that we are going to see is cognitive skills. So basically cognitive skills involves memory, thinking, attention span and all that. So what happens here is if the child is exposed to screen time a lot, it hinders their attention span, it hinders their memory. They find it very difficult to comprehend things and situation. And as well as the cerebral cortex. Cerebral cortex is here in the upper part of the brain that is responsible for major things, as I said, like attention span, decision making and all that. So if the child is exposed to more number of screen time, the cerebral cortex becomes little thin, the lines become thin, which may develop lot of problem in the later stage of their lives. So the second major problem that we see is social development. Nowadays it has become very common that children have problems in their speech or they have a delayed speech development. This is because the child is given phones so that it keeps quiet while eating or doing something. So what happens here is that because of all these things the child does not have anybody to talk to, and nowadays both the parents are busy with their work commitments and other commitments. So and the child may have very few friends or no friends at all, so the child does not have anybody to interact with. So the problem in social development starts here. May also lead to problems like anxiety. What happens is certain shows are highly stimulating, which is really not good for the child. So what happens here is when the child is exposed to such high stimulating things, of course that leads to anxiety. They do not have their patience, that may lead to anger issues. They may throw tantrums and all that stuff. So there are some shows that are not at all stimulating, like Arthur. There are so many other shows which will help the children to entertain themselves, but it's not highly stimulating.